Students, you have to make 200 pages notebook in which you will make prose and poetry sections as you made last year in 11th standard. Here, you are given model answers of the textbook based questions for your reference. But you are recommended for making your own answers with brief introduction of the author and the lesson. For each lesson, first you will write questions answers followed by textual grammar taught through e-learning or through videos. Now, textual based idioms and phrases. Students, you will be given this instruction in your question paper. Rewrite the sentences using the correct meaning of the given idioms or phrases. First sentence, I was in great dread of a scolding from the teacher. Students, here I have underlined the phrase or the idiom in this sentence, but in exam, always the idiom or phrase will not be underlined. So in the first sentence, the idiom is in great dread of. After this sentence, so first of all you have to find out the idiom or phrase, and then whatever three meanings you are given down, you have to choose the correct meaning out of these three of this given idiom. So the idiom in great dread of, the correct meaning is afraid of. So how you will use this correct meaning? This correct meaning will be used in the place of the idiom or the phrase. So answer you are given down. I was afraid of a scolding from the teacher. The same way, we will do the second one. You will get to your school in plenty of time. The idiom is here already underlined. Now you choose the correct meaning out of these three you are given in plenty of time. The correct meaning is early enough. So the answer is you will get to your school early enough. Third sentence. When school began, there used to be a great bustle. A great bustle is underlined as it is a phrase or an idiom. Out of these three meanings, we will choose the correct meaning, and the correct meaning is a lot of movement. Now we will use this correct meaning in the place of this idiom, a great bustle. So the answer will be when school began, there used to be a lot of movement. Next sentence. The lessons were repeated in unison. In unison, it is an idiom, means together. So the answer is the lessons were repeated together. Next one. Hauser had brought an old primer which was thumbed at the edges. Idiom here is thumbed at the edges. You are given these three meanings and we have to choose the right meaning. The right meaning is B. Worn out and dirty at the edges due to frequent usage. So the answer will be Hauser had brought an old primer which was worn out and dirty at the edges due to frequent usages. Apart from these 6 sentences, students, you are given exercise for idiom and phrases on page number 10, textbook Flamingo. So you can also write those 4 sentences which you are given for practice in the textbook.